Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs from chromosomes and their aberrations. These questions are useful for JRF, SRF and other competitive exams related to agriculture. Now let's move on into our first question. Who discovered chromosomes? The chromosomes were discovered by Strasburger and the term chromosomes was given by Waldeyer. Chromosome shape is mostly studied during which phase? The chromosome shape is usually studied during the anaphase, whereas most of the chromosomes are studied during metaphase because they are clearly visible at that phase, but the shape is studied during anaphase. Chromosomes are stained with which of the following dyes? The chromosomes are stained with the basic dyes such as acetocarmine and phelugen. Successive DNA replication without intervening cell division is called. The successive DNA replication without the cell division is called endo-reduplication and it leads to endopolyploidy. That is, it leads to the development of individuals with 2n, 4n, 8n, etc. Chromosomes in which two arms are identical with each other in gene content and morphology are called. They are called as the isochromosomes. Joint chromosomes are visible during. The joint chromosomes are visible during the interphase. Lowest number of chromosomes is found in which plant? The lowest number of chromosomes is found in Haplopappus gracius where 2n is equals to 4, whereas the highest chromosomes in plants is found in Ophioglossum reticulatum where 2n is equals to 1250. Highest number of chromosomes is found in which animal? The highest number of chromosomes in animals are found in protozoans where 2n is equals to 1600 and lowest number is found in Ascaris, the roundworm where 2n is equals to 2. Which of the following is known as primary constriction? The centromere, which is also known as kinetochore, is the primary constriction. Term telomere was given by. The term telomere is given by Hermann Muller. Moving on to the next question. Chromosomes which have diffuse centromere is called. Chromosomes which have the diffuse centromere are known as the holokinetic chromosomes. When coming to the holokinetic chromosomes, they have the centromere which is spread over the entire length of the chromosome. And for the example, it is seen in Caenorhabditis elegans. Chromosomes are longest and thinnest during which stage? Chromosomes are thinnest and longest during the interphase, whereas the chromosomes are shortest in the anaphase. Chromomeres are clearly visible in which stage? Chromomeres are the bead-like structures on the chromosomes and they are clearly visible in the polytene chromosomes, and that too they are clearly visible in the leptotene stage. So the answer is leptotene. Structural integrity of the chromosomes is maintained due to the presence of which of the following? The structural integrity of the chromosomes is maintained due to the presence of the telomeres because the telomeres are highly stable and they do not fuse with the telomeres of the other chromosomes. Matrix of the chromosome is covered by. The matrix of the chromosome is covered by pellicle, but the matrix and the pellicle are the non-genetic structures. Diagrammatic representation of the karyotype of the species showing morphological features is called. It is called as the ideogram, where the karyotype is the descending order arrangement of the metacentric chromosomes with their centromeres on a straight line. But the diagrammatic representation of the karyotype is ideogram. Perfect symmetric karyotype will have which type of chromosomes? The perfect symmetric karyotype will have the metacentric chromosomes. Heterochromatin takes dark stain during which stage? Heterochromatin takes the darker stain during the interphase, but it takes the lighter stain during the metaphase, and heterochromatin is the inactive regions of the chromosome. Histone proteins are devoid of which of the following? They are devoid of tryptophan. Loops of the Lamb-Brush chromosomes actively synthesize. When coming to the Lamb-Brush chromosomes, these are found in the diplotin of the oocytes and the loops of the Lamb-Brush chromosomes actively take part in the synthesis of RNA. Number of joined chromosomes in 2n nucleus is. When coming to the joined chromosomes, they are also called as polytene chromosomes. These are found in the diphtherin salivary glands. Homologous chromosomes paired together to form the joined chromosomes. So, the number of joined chromosomes in 2n nucleus is n. Extra chromosome in addition to normal somatic complement is. The extra chromosome in addition to normal somatic complement is called as the B chromosome. Longer arm of the chromatid is represented by. The longer arm of the chromosome is represented by small q, whereas the shorter arm is represented by small p. Histone proteins are absent in which of the following? The histone proteins are absent in the yeast. Centromere of all chromosomes fuse to form which of the following? The centromere of all chromosomes unite together and form the chromocenter. Deletion of chromosome 22 in humans causes which of the following? Deletion of the chromosome 22 causes Philadelphia, whereas deletion of the 5 chromosome causes Cry Do Chat. B chromosomes were discovered by. The B chromosomes were discovered by Kawada in maize, but the term B chromosome was given by Randolph. Moving on to the next question. Basic chromosome is represented by. Basic chromosome is represented by a letter X, and it is the number of chromosomes present in the gametes of a true diploid species. Which of the following changes the number of the genes? Both the deletions and duplications change the number of the genes, whereas the inversions change the genetic sequence and karyotype, and translocations change the genetic map. Which of the following is a crossover suppressor? Inversions are usually the crossover suppressors, and inversion takes place when the chromosome is oriented in the reverse direction. Which of the following does not alter the morphology of the affected chromosome? The paracentric inversions does not affect the morphology of the affected chromosome because it does not include the centromere. Integration of chromosome segment into non-homologous chromosome is called. The integration of the chromosome segment into non-homologous chromosomes is called as translocation. Deletion produces which of the following phenomena? The deletion produces the phenomenon known as the pseudodominance. Now, when coming to the pseudodominance, it is the expression of the recessive gene in the single dose. Duplication can be identified by which of the following? Duplication can be identified by the presence of the loops in packitine. Tandem and reverse tandem are which type of duplications? Tandem and reverse tandem are the adjacent duplications because the duplicated segment is adjacent to the original segment. In non-adjacent duplications, the duplicated segment is away from the original segment, but it is on the another side of the chromosome. Duplication of which gene in Drosophila produces the bar I? The duplication of the 16A gene produces the bar I in Drosophila. When there is a duplication in a single dose, it produces the oval I. When there is duplication in a double dose, it produces the bar I, and when there is a duplication in the triple dose, it produces the ultra bar I. In which of the segregation translocated gametes produce viable individuals? In alternate translocation, the gametes produce the viable individuals, whereas in adjacent 2, the gametes are produced with duplications and deficiencies which produce the semi-sterility in the individuals. Crossing over within the paracentric inversion results in the formation of which of the following? Crossing over in the paracentric inversion leads to the formation of both the dicentric bridge and the eccentric fragment. But when there is pericentric inversion, it will produce the chromosome with duplications and deficiencies. Inversions are discovered by which of the following scientists? Inversions are discovered by the scientist Tutavant, and inversions are reported in crops such as maize and Nicotiana. Balanced lethal system in Oenothera was discovered by. The balanced lethal system in Oenothera was discovered by Renner. Union of broken chromosomal segments which restores the original gene sequence is called. Union of the broken segments and the restoration of the original gene sequence is known as the restitution, whereas tandem is the duplication with the normal segment. Reverse tandem is the duplication with the reverse sequence of the genes when compared to the original sequence, and shift is the transfer of the intercalary segment from one chromosome to the intercalary position into the non-homologous chromosome. Moving on to the next question. The change in the chromosome number which involves entire set is called. The change which involves the entire set is known as euploidy, whereas when there is a change in only the chromosome number which involves only one or few chromosomes is known as aneuploidy. What is the basic and the gametic chromosome number in wheat respectively? The basic chromosome number is represented by X, and it is the number of chromosomes present in the gametes of the true diploid species. So the answer will be 7, as the wheat is a hexaploid species. And when coming to the 2n number of the wheat, it is 42. So the gametic chromosome number of wheat n is equals to 21. Globe mutant in Drosophila was discovered by. The globe mutant in Drosophila is discovered by Belling. Here the options are Sears, Endrizzi and Bridges. Sears is the scientist who developed the complete set of 21 monosomics and allosomics in wheat, and Endrizzi is the scientist who developed 26 monosomics in cotton. Semigamy is used to produce haploids in which of the following? Semigamy is a process. It is a type of the facultative apomixis in which the male gametes does not fuse with the female nucleus after entering into the embryo sac. So because of this, it leads to the production of haploids in the organisms, and semigamy is mostly noticed in cotton. Haploid of a tetraploid species is called. The haploid of a tetraploid species is called dihaploid, whereas the haploid of a true diploid is monohaploid, and haploid of a polyploid species is polyhaploid. Triple monosomics is represented by. A single monosomic is represented by 2n minus 1. Double monosomics is represented by 2n minus 1 minus 1, and triple monosomics is represented by 2n minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. And triple monosomic is the loss of a single chromosome from 3 different linkage groups. In tertiary trisomics, the extra chromosome is. In tertiary trisomics, the extra chromosome is a translocated segment. In primary trisomic, the extra chromosome is unaltered haploid chromosome. And in secondary trisomics, extra chromosome is an isochromosome. What is the possible number of tertiary trisomics in wheat? When coming to the primary trisomics, it is n, secondary trisomics is 2n, and the tertiary trisomics is uncountable. In wheat, the possible number of primary trisomics is 21, the possible number of secondary trisomics is 42, and the possible number of the tertiary trisomics is uncountable. Autotetraploids are more successful in. Autotetraploids are more successful in the forage crops, whereas autotriploids are more successful in spinach. Who used BTT in barley for production of hybrids? BTT is balanced tertiary trisomics, and it is mostly used in the production of haploids in barley, and this method BTT was used by R.T. Ramage. Bulbosome technique in barley was developed by which of the following scientists? The bulbosome technique in barley was developed by Kasha and Kao. The bulbosome technique is a cross between Hordeum vulgare and Hordeum bulbosum to produce the homozygous double haploids. What is the partial homologous genome known as? The partial homologous genome is known as homeologous genome. Segmental polyploid was discovered by. Segmental polyploid was discovered by the scientist Stebbins, and the partial homologous genome in polyploid individuals is known as the segmental polyploid. Which of the following autotriploid is a simplex? Capital A small a is a autotriploid, and it is a simplex. An example of autohexaploid is. The example of an autohexaploid is sweet potato, where 2n is equals to 6x is equals to 90. An autohexaploid is a species in which there are 6 copies of a single genome. And spinach is an autotriploid. Potato and alfalfa are the autotetraploids. An alloploid, Nicotina digluta, was synthesized by Clausine and Goodspeed, and it is a cross between Nicotina tabacum and Nicotina glutinosa. Triticale species are developed by the scientist Rimpau, and it is a cross between Triticum turgidum and Sickle cereale. Which is right. Colchicine was discovered by which of the following scientists? Colchicine was discovered by the scientist Dustin, but the effect of the colchicine was discovered by Blakeslee and Nebel. Genome of Triticum torschi is? The genome of Triticum torschi is DD. Genome of Sickle cereale, that is rye, is? It is capital R. The Hughes triangle was given by which of the following scientists? The Hughes triangle was given by the scientist Nagaharu for the evolution of the different Brassica species. Brassica carinata is a cross between Brassica nigra and Brassica oleracea. The haploid and genome of Brassica campestris is? It is N is equals to 10 and capital A is the genome. Double tetrasomic is represented by, when coming to the double tetrasomic, it is represented by 2n plus 2 plus 2. Edwards syndrome is due to which of the following? When coming to the Edwards syndrome, it is due to the trisomy of the chromosome 18, and Patau syndrome is due to trisomy 13, and Down syndrome is due to trisomy 21. For staying in tune with us, you can even join our WhatsApp group where the number is provided on the screen. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel AgriCourse World for more content related to agriculture.